If you need to add an SPF record in Bluehost, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This is important if you want your emails to be delivered properly and reduce the chances of them landing in spam. An SPF record helps verify that the servers sending email for your domain are authorized to do so, and setting it up correctly can make a big difference for your business or website. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Bluehost and domain tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Domains. From there, select the domain where you want to add the SPF record. This is the domain connected to your email service, so make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. After selecting the domain, click DNS. This will take you to the DNS management area where all of your domain records are stored. Now scroll down until you find Manage Advanced DNS records. This is where you can add, edit, and manage records like A records, MX records, and TXT records. Since SPF records are added as TXT records, this is the section you need. Click for Add Record and then choose Single Record. Bluehost will now open a form where you can enter the details for your new record. For the record type, select TXT. In the host or name field, enter the @ symbol, which looks like this. This tells Bluehost that the record applies to your root domain. Next, in the TXT value field, paste the SPF value provided by your email provider. This is very important because the SPF string needs to match the instructions from your email service exactly. It usually starts with something like VESPF1, followed by the authorized sending servers or include mechanisms. For TTL, you can usually leave the default value as it is. TTL controls how long DNS servers cache the record, and in most cases, the default setting is fine. Once everything looks correct, click Add to save the record. At this point, Bluehost will add the SPF TXT record to your domain, and it may take some time to fully propagate across the internet. Now here's one very important thing you need to know. Before creating a new SPF record, check whether your domain already has a TXT record that begins with VESPF1. If you already have one, do not create a second SPF record. Instead, edit the existing SPF record and update it with the correct value. Having multiple SPF records on the same domain can cause authentication problems and may stop your emails from being validated properly. So the rule is simple: one domain, one SP record. If there's already an SP entry, modify that one rather than adding another. That helps keep your DNS clean and prevents email delivery issues later on. After you save your changes, give the DNS some time to update, then test your email if needed to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've now learned how to add an SPF record in Bluehost the right way. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.